One fine day, two children, Emma and Alex, were playing in the park. Suddenly, a big, fluffy cloud appeared out of nowhere.
Look, Alex. That cloud is huge. It's like it's calling us.
What do you think it wants?
The cloud slowly descended and landed in front of them. A soft, glowing light radiated from it.
Welcome, Emma and Alex. I am the spirit of the cloud, and I need your help.
Us. But we're just regular kids.
What do we need to do?
The sky is in danger. The darkness is spreading, and I need you to stop it. You are the only ones brave enough to succeed.
Emma and Alex looked at each other and nodded. They didn't know what was ahead, but they were ready for the challenge. The cloud began to rise into the sky, and Emma and Alex followed it. The higher they flew, the more the world below them seemed small. Suddenly, a soft voice came from the cloud.
You must reach the Sky Temple. But first, you need to solve the riddle of the winds.
A riddle? We're ready.
This will be fun.
A series of wind currents appeared in the sky, swirling around them like a whirlwind. The cloud spirit's voice echoed in the wind.
I am the wind that whispers through the trees. I am the breeze that carries your dreams. I am unseen, but I am everywhere. Solve my riddle, if you dare.
It must be the wind.
We got it. The answer is the wind.
Correct. You have passed the first test. Continue on your journey to the Sky Temple.
After passing the wind test, Emma and Alex flew through the skies, following the glowing path the cloud spirit had created. Soon, they reached a magical forest in the sky where the stars twinkled like diamonds.
Look, Alex. It's a map made of stars.
That must be the star map the spirit talked about.
The star map floated in front of them, showing the way to the Sky Temple. But a mysterious shadow hovered over it, blocking their path.
What's that? It looks like a shadow.
Don't worry, we'll figure it out.
The shadow transformed into a dark figure. It was the Dark Knight, a protector of the sky who had been corrupted by the spreading darkness.
To pass, you must face me in battle.
We can do this, Alex.
Emma and Alex continued their journey, but just as they were getting closer to the Sky Temple, a sudden meteor storm filled the sky.
Alex, look. The sky is full of meteors.
What do we do? How can we avoid them?
Stay calm. Your magical cloud can protect you, but you must time your movements carefully to avoid the meteors.
The magical cloud swerved and dodged the meteors as they flew by, but one meteor got dangerously close.
Alex, it's too close.
Hold on tight. I'm steering it to the side.
Keep going. You're almost through the storm.
After much effort, Emma and Alex safely navigated through the meteor storm and continued their journey.